Hi guys, this is the first official freebie Friday I'm doing. Obviously I gave some freebies away yesterday. I'll link the video in the description. You can get a couple of free appointment books, all dated, all 2025. It's a brilliant appointment book. I'll show you those in a second. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this free low content book to sell. It's a free, completely dated planner for 2025. It's Art Deco themed and it looks bloomin' gorgeous. So this is it here. This is the PDF you'll get. You get a title page, you get contact pages, all with a lovely Art Deco geometric pattern and an Art Deco font. You get important dates for 2025. Each month you get a monthly to-do list and you get an at-a-glance calendar. You'll notice that I've even taken the time. These are all Art Deco fonts, by the way. Each day that's outside of the month, like the 30th and the 31st, they're in December, of course, and this is February 1st to 2nd. They're all in a smaller, fainter font. Really helps the regular dates pop out. There's a section for notes on there. Then we get into the meat of the planner, and this is it. Again, geometric design, Art Deco font. You get a double page spread per week. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, each correctly dated, and the month is there. You will get time, appointment, and a to-do list for each day. Also the years there. This is the second page of the double page spread. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you get a weekly priority section up here. You also get another line section down there. And that'll go on all of January. Then switches to Jan Feb. So when it switches to February, you'll see February appear here. You'll also find the monthly to-do list and February at a glance. And that goes all the way throughout all of the year. You're going to get that absolutely free just for watching this video. It's linked to my Gumroad account. So again, I'll put the link to this in the video description. And you'll need a password for it. The password is Art Deco Planner. All one word. ARTDECOPLANNER. I'll put it in the text in the bottom right of the screen. Or somewhere on the screen. You'll find it. Don't you worry about that. Yesterday I gave away the appointment books. Again, I'll link to that video in the description. You've got to watch all that, mind. And I'll show you those in a second. I just want to show you this in the print previewer. So this is the planner I made. This is the cover. And if we go through, you can see there's no problems. Everything's fitted correctly to an 8.5 by 11 page. Everything fits in there nicely. And bang. We're into the meat of the planner. So you can get this free for watching this video and typing in the discount code, I suppose. The other thing that I gave away yesterday is 2025. That's why I'm getting these out early in January, because there is still time to use them. The appointment books, and I'll show you those now. And this is the planner I gave away. This is the title I made. You've got to make your own titles for these. That's what makes them unique. This is for a hair stylist, but you can use them for any business that requires appointments. Again, you get a title page, you get important dates, you get contact pages. And this is the planner itself. As you can see, across the top we have the month, December 25, December 24, January 25. And this is all of the days and dates in the correct order. There's a section for each day. This goes from 8 AM to 7 PM. I also put another one in the giveaway, which I think goes from 7 AM to 8 PM. Something like that. Both 8.5 by 11. I don't know if you can make this out, but each section is divided into quarters. So there's 8 AM, quarter past, half past, quarter to. That is for each day. And it just continues on. It's a double repeating planner. A double page repeating planner. There's also a section for notes. But that's it. Very simple. Again, switches to February. All dated correctly. and you'll see here there's no errors. It all fits in to your page. As you can see here, I did it with no bleed because there's nothing around the outside. In the planner, select bleed because there is that image, of course, which will go to the end. So that's it for today's video. Another free file. Friday freebies are hopefully going to be throughout this year. I'll have 52 free things to give you that'll help with your KDP. It'll be PDFs like this. It could be elements, clip arts to use in your books, colouring book images, repeating patterns for your craft paper pads, things like that. Hopefully, over the next 52 weeks, I'll put a video out every Friday and you'll get something free. Remember, the links to both this and the free appointment books are in the description. And once again, the discount code for this file is Art Deco Planner. ARTDECOPLANNER. You'll have to watch the other video to get the discount code for the appointment books. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.